This video is going to show you how you can use the Read and Write for Windows tools to help you read and study course material more effectively, as well as some easy strategies to help you make the best use of your study time. With so much to read, it's hard to remember all the important points just by reading and rereading. If you take a little time before you start and set the material up in a way that will allow you to interact with it, you will find that the time that you spend studying will be more effective. Let's start by looking at the Read and Write scanning tool. Most people think of scanning as changing paper documents into electronic ones. The Read and Write scanning tool is different. Our scanning tool is used most commonly for two purposes. One is to turn documents which are already in electronic formats into other formats, such as changing a PDF document into a Word document. The second reason our scanning tool is used is to change a locked or inaccessible PDF into an unlocked or accessible one. The newly scanned PDF would then be able to be used with our text reader and other tools. Let's start with looking at how our scanning tool can do this. What is an inaccessible PDF document? This means that the PDF has not gone through an OCR program. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. An OCR system searches for recognizable fonts and detects that there are actually letters or characters on the page. Often PDF documents found while researching online, from publishing companies, or made by using a traditional flatbed scanner create an inaccessible copy. Using the Read and Write scanning tool will run your PDF document through OCR, allowing you to read and use other tools on your new PDF document that looks exactly like your original. So how can you tell if your PDF is inaccessible? If you cannot highlight a section of text by running your cursor over that line of text, as you would to copy and paste, then your document is inaccessible. Scanning is quick and easy. The first step is to make sure that you have your document saved on your computer. Then make sure you have the scanning tool set up to scan from File and Scan to PDF. Click on the icon to begin the scanning process. The scanning tool will ask you where the file is that you wish to scan. Then, where you would like to save the new document and what you would like to call it. When I save documents that have gone through OCR, I put the letters OCR in the title of the new document, so I know this copy is accessible. After you've completed the scanning, the PDF will now open using our PDF Allowed reader. To open any accessible PDF you have using our PDF Allowed reader, click on the PDF icon. It will ask you where the PDF you would like opened is, and then it will open it. Once the PDF is open in the reader, you will be able to see the Click to Speak hand and a green dot here. Now you will be able to read the document.
1. To make the case that writing is a complex activity, more than just a skill.
Use the dictionary. Use the picture dictionary. And highlight important information. Using a color coding system will help you to organize and remember the information you read, whether in a PDF or Word document or on a website. If the content is new or especially challenging, a good idea is to highlight information indicating what makes sense, but more importantly, what information specifically needs reviewing, or a better or different explanation, or would be made clearer with additional examples, pictures, or diagrams. It is also a good idea to identify key terms needed for the topic. Or you can choose to highlight categories of information in the same color. Highlighted information can then be collected using the Collect Highlights button, which will place the information onto a brand new Word document grouped together by color or position in the document. Now you have created a study guide. And with this new Word document, You can find and add more information using our Fact Finder. This may help you to find a better explanation or a picture, diagram, table, or chart for visualizing the information. You may wish to make an MP3 file recording of your study guide for listening on the go using our SpeechMaker tool. Simply run your cursor over the information you wish to be placed into your MP3 recording. Then click on the SpeechMaker tool and follow the prompts. As we mentioned earlier, the second most common reason for using our scanning tool is to change a PDF document into a Word document. Scanning to Word is a great option if you wish to create an MP3 file or to create an editable document for adding additional notes, pictures, diagrams, or integrating the information into a 2 or 3 column note format. Use the same procedures as demonstrated before, only choose Scan to Word. Or you can use a multi-column note strategy to help you interact with the text through highlighting and making notes as you read. Adding an additional column will allow you to restate the information, record ways to remember the information, add pictures or examples, further define key terms, and each of these things will help you to better retain the information you are reading. Writing also helps your brain to remember. To create a 2 or 3 column format in Word, just select Insert, Table, and choose either a 2x2 or a 2x3 table. Adding a third column would allow you to integrate notes taken in class from lecture. You may also wish to change the page layout from portrait to landscape, which will give you more room to write. Now you can copy and paste your information into any column you wish. The very process of organizing your information, making notes, recording your thoughts, integrating lecture notes, adding explanations, pictures, and diagrams is helping you to understand, study, and remember the information, and is far more effective than just reading or rereading. Let Read and Write help you on your road to academic success. For more information, please go to www.texthelp.com.